Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the NPC quests from the Pirate Cove update in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be 3 NPC quests that you can complete to get special rewards. And the first quest is called the Mysterious Cave. To start the quest, you can talk to this NPC. But before it, guys, of course, you need to go to the Pirate Cove Island, and then you can talk to Carpenter NPC and click on what are you doing here to start the quest. And the quest is like this. Wait, let me show you. The quest from this NPC is the Mysterious Cave, and after you can complete this quest, you will get 50 doubloons as your rewards, and then you will unlock this mysterious cave. Wait. Okay, you will unlock this mysterious cave. And if you want to know more information about this quest, you can go to my previous video. I've already explained the details about the quest. Okay, the mysterious cave is the first quest that you need to finish to unlock the cave. And then the second quest is called the Black Pearl quest, and you can start the quest by talking to Captain Jones. Okay, you can start the quest right here, and this is about the quest details. Wait. Okay, this Black Pearl quest, you need to give Captain Jones a Leviathan rich mutated fish and find the secret dead man's compass and return to the captain, and the reward will be colossal pirate ship. Again, if you want to know more about this quest, you can visit my previous video. And then the last one will be in the pirate treasure room. You need to go to the cave and pass the maze, and then you will find the dead skeleton quest. Alright, and this is the last quest, which is called the Dead Man's Treasure. You need to talk to this Dead Man's skeleton to start the quest. And the quest will be finding 4 letters hidden in the chest and also return and speak with the Dead Man's skeleton. Okay guys, and those are the quests that you need to complete in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!